Hit the sack means go to sleep. He hit the sack after a long day. She hit the sack early last night. On cloud nine means very happy. She felt on cloud nine when she got the job. He was on cloud nine after winning the prize. Break the ice means start a conversation in a friendly way. He broke the ice by telling a joke. She broke the ice with a big smile. Under the weather means feeling sick or not well. He is under the weather today. She felt under the weather after the trip. Burning the midnight oil means work late at night. He burned the midnight oil to finish his office work. She burned the midnight oil for her exam. Hit the nail on the head means say exactly the right thing. She hit the nail on the head during the meeting. He hit the nail on the head with his answer. Kill two birds with one stone means do two things at the same time. She killed two birds with one stone by shopping and meeting her friend.